Here is a video of a completed lab here. You can see I have my breadboard here with my 3 buttons. I have my H-bridge here, and you can see it's connected here, and these wires then go to the other side where I have my 2 battery packs connected in series. I have my motors, and you can see the wheels, and here you can also see where I have my grounded caster, just some balled up aluminum foil. And then we can turn on this particular device here, and turn it on here with this switch. Okay, and what you can see is now both of these are going, and if I want it to stop, here's I am in my collision state right there, and then here I can make a right turn, and here I can make a left turn. So here's collision, and then go to the right and go to the left. And this is all completely powered by the batteries that I have here. And we can let it go.